Buggerilla, thank you so much for 10 months of Frost Guardianship over on Twitch, paying my rent to the sickly little knightess for my room in the barracks for 10 months. Hope you get better soon, Captain. I'm sick. Like, sickly little knightess makes it sound far cuter than it actually is. Like, you listening to me, and I cough like I'm a pack-a-day smoker, and it's not cute. Like, my illness is not cute at the moment. It's like, it's like the, like, you were expecting, like, cute little coughs, like, oh, I'm so sick and poorly, and now I'm like, I'm dying. There's nothing cute about it. Forgive my language, but it's a bit like the has anyone seen the meme which is like the girls who poop, bitches who, well, I don't need to say it, I think you can figure out what the second part is there without me needing to actually do the curse, but it's like literally like the girls who poop. Yeah. And that's the second part. Witches who defecate. It's like that meme. Tickle that like button, smash that subscribe, and fondle the comment section.